Good afternoon. Before we start, a couple of things. If we should have any technological problems, we'll just take a pause, and the clerk's office and the IT people, AOC IT people, will work through it. And we haven't had any problems, don't anticipate any here. Well, thank you for participating in the process. This way it enables the court to continue doing the work of the people of the state of Tennessee. I call the case, please.
Abby Nicole Breeden versus Derrick Jerome Garland Sr.
Mr. Downs, I mean, you're it. Mr. Garland has not showed up and not going to. You're free to do whatever you want. You have 15 minutes if you, whatever you want to say or not say anything. It's up to you.
Okay. I just have a few brief statements.
Certainly.
Just to address some of the preliminary issues. There was an order for show cause that was issued on the 24th of August. He had till the 15th of September to respond. He failed to do so. Ultimately, I'm asking the court to dismiss this petition because it lacks any sort of legal argument, citation to the record, and it makes it pretty difficult for me as the opposing attorney to make a legal argument if there's no legal argument for which I need to respond to. There was some factual allegations. One of the things he mentioned was lack of evidence of stalker, but he doesn't say what lack of evidence of stalker means. In addition to that, I think he mentioned that there was third-party evidence. He doesn't define or describe what third-party evidence means. This is simply a handwritten request of the court to set aside the judgment of the trial court solely for the purpose that he didn't like the outcome. We had a case on the merits. We heard testimony, we heard proof, and the court found that an order of protection was appropriate in this case. So I don't know that there's really anything much more than that I need to say. I think that you've got a lack of a sufficient brief. I don't think it meets the requirements of the rules of this court, and so I think that the case should be dismissed.
All right, counsel. Thank you. We appreciate your brief and your argument. If you'll, Madam Clerk, if you'll recess court until 2:30 this afternoon.
This court is in recess until 2:30 p.m.
Thank you.